In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Godot Engine app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. The Google Play Store icon is usually a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will take you to a vast library of applications, games, and tools available for download. This is your gateway to accessing countless apps, including Godot Engine. Once you've opened the Play Store, you will see various categories and featured apps. It's an essential step to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it will make your app search much easier. Next, tap the search bar. This is typically located at the top of the screen and is marked with a magnifying glass icon. Tapping on it will allow you to enter text. The search function is crucial because it helps you locate the specific app you need among the thousands available. After tapping, the keyboard will pop up, allowing you to enter the app name. This simple action sets you up for the next phase of your download journey. Now type Godot Engine 4. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the exact version of the app you want. The Godot Engine is a powerful tool for game development, and version 4 includes many new features and improvements. Typing in the correct name ensures you are accessing the latest and most relevant version for your development needs. This step is vital because it narrows down your search results, making it easier to find what you're looking for. From there, select Godot Engine 4 by Godot Foundation. You will see a list of search results pop up. Look for the app developed by Godot Foundation, as this is the official version. Selecting the right app is important because using unofficial versions may lead to compatibility issues or security risks. Once you find it, tapping on it will take you to the apps page where you can see more details like ratings, reviews, and a description of the app. Now tap Install. This button is usually green and located on the app page. When you tap Install, your device will begin downloading the app. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure you have a stable internet connection. A successful installation means you will soon have a powerful game development tool right on your device. After that, wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's normal to feel a bit impatient during this time, but rest assured that the wait will be worth it. Once the download finishes, the app will be installed and you will receive a notification. Next up, tap Open. You can find this option right on the app page after installation or on your home screen. Tapping Open launches the Godot engine, and you will be greeted by a user-friendly interface designed for game development. This is an exciting moment as you are now ready to explore all the features this powerful software has to offer. At this point, grant any requested permissions. The app may ask for access to files or storage on your device. Allowing these permissions is important because it enables the app to function correctly. You will see prompts asking for permission, and you can easily manage these settings based on your preferences. This step ensures that Godot Engine has the necessary access to create and save your project seamlessly. Finally, create a new project or open an existing one to start developing games on your Android device. You will see options to begin a new project or continue with an existing one. Choosing to create a new project will allow you to dive right into game development. This step marks the beginning of your journey in game creation, which can be a rewarding and creative experience. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of Godot Engine as you embark on your game development adventure.